Your speaker sounds fine, but hidden dust, trapped water, and daily damage could already be destroying your sound right now. And most people never realize it until their speaker becomes weaker, muffled, distorted, and much worse. First, dust. Tiny particles slowly build up inside your speaker grill. Every single day, dust keeps building deeper, blocking airflow, reducing clarity, weakening volume, and slowly turning normal sound into muffled, distorted performance. Second, water. Even small amounts of trapped moisture can silently damage your speaker long before you notice the sound changing. Third, how you use your phone. Many people accidentally block their speaker every day without realizing it. Your grip, hand placement, and even certain phone cases can partially block your speaker every day, reducing clarity, lowering volume, and making your sound weaker without you even realizing it. Changing how you hold your phone can instantly improve airflow, restore clearer sound, and help your speaker perform the way it was designed to. Rice, heat, sharp tools, and fake online fixes often make speaker problems worse by trapping moisture longer, pushing debris deeper, or permanently damaging internal components. Now it's time to test your speaker properly, check for hidden damage, and find out if your sound quality is already being affected. Listen carefully, feel the vibration, and pay close attention to clarity, balance, and speaker strength as the test begins. If one side feels weaker, quieter, or less responsive, your speaker may already be suffering from blockage, moisture, or internal performance loss. Check both sides carefully, because uneven sound, weaker channels, or imbalance can reveal hidden dust, blockage, moisture, or deeper speaker damage. If you noticed weaker sound, muffled output, distortion, or imbalance, your speaker may already be affected by hidden dust, trapped moisture, blockage, or long-term damage. Ignoring these warning signs can lead to permanent speaker damage, weaker sound, costly repairs, or complete failure. So fixing the problem early is critical. Run the full speaker fix on my channel now. Restore crystal clear sound, protect your device, and subscribe for more real tests, real fixes, and long-term speaker protection.
Tap left now for the deep test and find the exact issue. Tap right now for the full fix and restore your sound. Fix it now and subscribe. You'll need this again.